welcome back to my channel, you guys. I wanted to go ahead and do a very laid back chill getaway with me. I don't want to do anything too fancy today. I'm just kind of like in a chill mode, so that's why I want to go ahead and film this video. There's a lot of stuff that's been going on in my life, and with me, I just know how I am. When I go ahead and film, I still want to be happy and bubbly, but life, y'all, life is crazy, okay? And two, why am I out of breath right now? Like, I need to get it together. All right, anyways, I want to go ahead and just talk to you guys because y'all like my friends. I can go ahead and tell you guys what's wrong, and y'all always help me out, give me advice in the comments. Like, you guys are the best. So if you guys want to stick around and chit chat with me, then go ahead and keep on watching. So let me go ahead and start. I'm not really going to mention the names, but I'm going to put them in the description bar below in case you guys were wondering what I'm using on my face today. But I always use my Melanie Mills Peach Deluxe. What's it called? Gleam Body Radiance Peach Deluxe. I always put that on my face because I love how shimmery it is. So on Monday, I went ahead and went to the Chris Brown concert, and I was so happy, y'all. Like, at first I wasn't that excited because my sister bought me the ticket, so I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and go. But when I got there, y'all, like, he is such a good performer. He can sing, he can dance, he can do everything. And whenever I go to a concert, I'm just like, you know what, like, these people are like right here, like they're in the same place as me. Like, it always hits me like how close they are. But it was so fun. I had so much fun. And yeah, like, I don't know. And I do know a lot of people get on Chris Brown all the time about, you know, his past and whatnot, but it's just one of those things, like, you can see him changing, becoming a better person. And with his daughter too, like, you can just see him being a better person. So give him credit where it's due. But yeah, I had so much fun, y'all. Like, I posted some videos on Instagram. If you guys haven't seen it, I think it's still up, but if it's not, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my what is it called, the little thing they have on Instagram where you can go ahead and save your videos from your stories. So I may go ahead and put it on there. On another note, I want to talk about something very important because it bothered me for weeks, y'all. Like, when I saw the whole story on the Justice for Junior, I'm sure a lot of people know about it and what happened. But he was a 15-year-old boy who was stabbed in the Bronx. But it just hit me so hard because I have 3 brothers and they're all younger than me, and I do have a brother who is 18, so like they're kind of similar in age, but of course my brother's older. But it just bothered me. Like, I think what got me was the fact that you saw the beginning, the middle, and the end of the whole incident. Like, you saw everything that happened, and it really made me sad and really touched me in a whole nother way because it just showed me how evil people can be, you know? Like, here's a 15-year-old boy who can't defend himself, and you have like 15 men trying to get him. It just, I don't know, it made me so mad, and I low-key got obsessed with the case because if you guys don't know, if I didn't take healthcare management for my undergrad, I would have done criminal justice because I really like, you know, stuff like that. For some reason, it's just something I like. But I really got into the case, and they've gotten most of the guys at this point. But it was just so sad to see everything that happened. Like, I cannot imagine what his family is going through. Like, it's just, it's insane, y'all. Like, it's insane. And it just shows me, like, with life, you gotta live life to the fullest because you never know what's gonna happen. And I think it affected me in a good way because I always worry about, you know what, can I please people a certain way? Can I do this to make people happy? Like, I never live for myself. I noticed that about me. But with me, like, life is so short now. Like, it just puts stuff in perspective. Like, whatever you want to do in life, go ahead and do it no matter what people think. Just live life, y'all. Because with that kid, he was always so happy. He was always so energetic from all the videos and pictures I saw. Like, he was just living life, and I knew God wanted him to come home because that boy fought for his life. He fought so hard. You guys haven't seen the case, go ahead and read up on it. The videos are a little bit too graphic. If you're not ready for that, just to let you guys know. But I don't know, God wanted him to come home. I'm pretty sure about that. But yeah, like, life is just, I don't know, it just made me upset because there's evil people in this world, and it just made me scared. Like, because one day I'm gonna be a mom, of course, and I would never wish that on anyone to go through. And his mom is so strong, his sister is so strong. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and put that on my platform because I love makeup. I love talking about makeup all the time, but sometimes it's important to go ahead and put important stuff on your channel and use your platform to bring awareness, you know, to certain stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about that. I've been really loving the Covergirl foundation. Like, it's one of those foundations where you can go ahead and put it on and you know you're not gonna get oily. So I've been using it every single day, and I know somebody mentioned about the Colourpop foundation, why I don't wear it all the time on my channel. It doesn't really have good oil control, and it is hot outside, y'all. Like, it's really hot outside, so I always go ahead and use my Covergirl foundation. But come fall time and winter time, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Colourpop foundation. But till then, y'all, the Covergirl foundation, I am obsessed. I just love it so much. Alright, so moving on to conceal, I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Tan. So there's this channel going on currently, and it's called Instagram Controls My Life for a Day. And is that something you guys want to see? Because I've been planning to film that video. I don't know what I'm going to ask you guys. Probably like what nail color to pick, or what outfit to pick for the day, or what to eat, and so on. But that is something I really want to do because I am currently running out of ideas. On my channel, I usually do like reviews and stuff like that, but there's not a lot of stuff that I want to buy currently. So I'm trying to think of like different stuff to film. So let me know down below. You guys know I'm always asking to help me figure out what to film on my channel. Because some people did say, I think an apartment tour or room tour, I don't remember. There's some videos you guys listed before, but I have to go back to that video and see what y'all said. But yeah, please let me know down below because I need help. So sticking on the subject of YouTube, I have been thinking about something, but I don't know if it's crazy or out there. Because I'm gonna be done with grad school July 27th. Thank God, y'all. I made it because this summer has been a little bit too hectic. Like, I had no life, y'all. I was just waking up doing homework every single day. So I know it sounds crazy, but I saw this tweet on Twitter, and the girl was saying, if you have a goal, go ahead and take 6 months and just focus on that one goal. And it just hit me, like, it personally hit me, because with me, I love YouTube. Y'all know this is like my stuff, but I feel like I can't do what I want to do because I have like 12 different things going on the side. Like, I have school, I have work, I have so many different things going on. But I always thought, like, what if I just focus on YouTube and just see like where it takes me? Because y'all have been showing me so much love on my channel recently, because I always look at the analytics, and it shows like how much engagement you're getting, and y'all are really like increasing it. So I just want to go ahead and focus on YouTube after I'm done with grad school. But I don't know if that sounds crazy. Like, I don't know, because how am I gonna make money? Like, I make money off of this, but like it's not enough to like live off of right now. But it's just scary because I don't know what to do, y'all. I really don't know what to do. And I could go back home and live there and do this, but being back home, there's not a lot of freedom. So I just kind of like to be on my own, you know. But I don't know if that's crazy. Like, let me know down below, like, is it crazy if I just go ahead and focus on this? Like, of course I'm not a big channel right now, but I just want to see where I can go, because a lot of people who make it on here, y'all, honestly, they go ahead and just focus on YouTube solely, and that's how your channel like grows, because you're just focusing on YouTube. Like, you don't have anything else to distract you. So that's just what I want to do, but I'm scared, y'all. Like, I'm scared. I don't know, just let me know down below what you think about that. To set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Kunafa. Now, y'all, let me be real. I'm gonna be really real. When I went ahead and filmed this video and I posted it, I was low-key nervous for the comments, because I know how people feel about Huda, and I know with this powder, a lot of people are a little bit angry. But I respect the comments. Like, y'all were nice in there. One girl made a comment that was very respectful. Like, I love how she stated it. She was like, I don't support Huda, but this powder is beautiful. Like, just so simple. I was like, yes, girl, that's how you do it. Like, that's how you do it, and state your opinion. But I am struggling right now. Hold on, y'all. Ooh, I almost cracked my teeth. I always struggle to open up this powder. I don't know why, but anyways, this powder is so beautiful on the skin, y'all. Like, I really like how it looks on the skin. But somebody asked me in the comments, actually a lot of people asked me in the comments if it's more yellow than the Sacha Buttercup, and I still have the Sacha Buttercup in my to giveaway pile, and it's a little bit darker than Sacha, because Sacha's a lot ashier. Whenever I used to go ahead and put it on my skin, it just looked very ashy. But with this, y'all, the yellow is just beautiful, and it stays yellow. Like, it doesn't look too ashy on the skin. And the under eyes, whenever I go ahead and apply it, it just looks so filtered. But it is a very beautiful powder. So before I go ahead and bake, I usually just press the powder into my skin first, just to prep the area, and then I go ahead and bake on top.
ride me, 'cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB.
Anyways, let me go ahead and remove all this powder off my face. And one thing I want to mention, the smell of the powder is not as strong as it first was when I applied it, when I first tried the powder out. And I think it's because I'm kind of used to the smell at this point. So to set the face, I'm going to try this old powder that I used to use before, and it's the Stay Matte Sheer Powder from Clinique. I remember back then they were saying it's really good for oily skin, so I'm just going to try it out again and see if I like it, because back then I know I didn't like it as much, so I don't know. I just realized all my face brushes are in the car, and I'm not about to go down there and get it. Let me see if I can find something else in here. I don't know what it is with my nose, but foundation and powder just never looks good on it. I don't know what it is, because on camera of course it looks good, but in person my nose area is just one of the issues that I normally have with my face, and it's so frustrating because I don't know how to fix it. So moving on to Instagram, y'all, I just really want to talk about this. When I first started off Instagram, it was just my favorite thing to do. I will always post on there. I will probably post on there probably like 3 to 4 times a week. Like, I loved it so much till the algorithm started, and I just kind of gave up, because it's kind of embarrassing to say, but I've been stuck at the same number of people on Instagram for about 1.5 years now, probably even 2 years at this point. And I thought it was me. I was like, what is wrong with me? Like, I'm pretty sure I post decent stuff on there. Like, why am I not growing? Till I figured out the whole algorithm thing, and it's just made me so like unmotivated to post on there. Like, I can honestly go 2 weeks and not post on there and I wouldn't even care, because it's just, what's the point of posting if nobody sees it? But I do know some people like to see my stuff on there, which is why I still do it. But y'all, it is so discouraging, and I don't know why Instagram is changing so much. Like, it just makes me not want to use the app. Like, I'll go on there for a little bit, but I just never stay on the app that much anymore, because it's just pointless to me. But I do want to go ahead and start posting more and see if that makes a difference. But I heard if you post a lot, Instagram doesn't show your stuff. Like, I've heard so many different things about how this algorithm works, so I don't know. I don't know what to do. If you guys are influencers on Instagram, please let me know if you're struggling with it too, because I'm just kind of like in a limbo. I don't know what to do anymore. I go ahead and post, but like the likes and the views aren't the same like they used to be before. So I'm just kind of like, should I delete it and make a new page, or should I just quit it all in general? I don't know. Like with YouTube, I do know there's an algorithm on there, but I'm still growing. I'm still getting subscribers. I'm getting views. It's okay. With YouTube, you have to post a lot, so it makes sense unless it hides your videos. But with Instagram, like, it has no sense whatsoever. Like, it's so random. I'm just over it at this point. So anyways, let me know down below what I should do, because I don't know what to do anymore. To bronze my face, I'm going to go ahead and go back to an OG bronzer. I'm using my Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer in the shade Ebony Bronze, just to add a little bit more depth to my face. Let me go ahead and add a little bit of blush to my face. I'm using my Anastasia blush kit in the one Gradient, I think is what it's called, the Gradient blush kit. I'm going to use the shade Vegas and Chocolate. I like mixing the two together. These two right here. I just mix them together and apply a little bit of that. I don't need too much because my shirt is already pink. My eyes are low-key pink already. So I don't need too much of this. So I kind of want like a golden highlighter. Let me see what I have in here. I'm probably going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Glow Kit in That Glow. And I'm going to use the shade Golden Bronze. I broke this one right here, so I have to be careful. But Golden Bronze, I'm going to apply that on my cheeks. Then I always apply a little bit of highlighter above the arch of my eyebrows, just because when you turn your head, it catches the light and it looks so good. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but my skin looks really good today. Like, this powder, the Huda Beauty powder, honestly, so good. Like, it makes my under eyes look so flawless every time I apply it. But let me go ahead and finish up the under parts of my eyes before I forget about that. I'm probably gonna add a little bit of pink underneath there just to match the shirt, but we shall see. Ooh, y'all, that looks good. Now for the lips, I don't know if I should go ahead and put a pink lip or is that doing too much? I don't really know right now, but I do have the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Berry Recognized, and then I have two Colourpop liquid lipsticks. Let's see. Let me see what more better looks like on the lips. Ooh, that one is the same shade as the shirt. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, this lipstick is old. Like, it is so sticky right now. I'm trying to like be calm, but it's a little sticky. So I feel like I did the most on this look. Like, there's a lot of pink going on, but you know what, it is what it is. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun. Y'all know I love talking to you because y'all like my friends. Like, honestly, y'all are my friends out there. I just haven't met y'all in person. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.